Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. Hope you all are doing well. Today, we baked bakery-style chicken bread without oven. So let's start the recipe. All-purpose flour 3 cups. Make a well in it. Add 6 grams of instant yeast. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add a pinch of salt. Mix all the dry ingredients with your hands. Now add 1 egg. Combine all the ingredients using your hands until well mixed. Mix until you get a crumbly texture. Once it turns crumbly, knead the mixture using lukewarm water to form a soft and sticky dough. Add water gradually while kneading. When the dough comes together, add 1 tablespoon of oil and knead again. Pay close attention while kneading and baking. A well-kneaded dough means perfectly baked bread. Now cover it and let it rise in a warm place. Now prepare the chicken filling. 1 tablespoon of oil. Spread the oil in the pan. Add 200 grams of chicken cut into julienne strips. Cook on medium to low flame until chicken changes its color. Add 1/4 tablespoon of crushed garlic. After adding the garlic, saute it thoroughly until fragrant. Now add salt to taste. 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper powder. 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder. Now mix all the spices thoroughly with the chicken. Add 2 tablespoons of water. Add 1/2 tablespoons of black pepper powder. Add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. 2 tablespoons of chili sauce. 1/2 tablespoon of soy sauce. Sauteed for 3 to 5 minutes. Cook on low heat until the chicken releases and absorbs its water, stirring occasionally. Once the water reduced, I added shredded carrot and cabbage mixed in recording. Cooked for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame, then turned off the stove and let it cool. Once the dough has risen, punch it down to remove air. Divide into small portions and form balls. Now roll each dough ball lengthwise into a slightly thin sheet. Leave a small edge on one side of the sheet and make lengthwise cuts about 2 inches long. Place the chicken filling on the other side of the sheet and roll it up tightly. While rolling, position the cuts to be on top. Now brush the top with egg wash. Sprinkle white sesame seeds. Top it with black olives and cheese. Prepare the rest of the breads in the same manner. Place in a preheated pot and bake for 15 to 20 minutes on low flame. After 20 minutes, Alhamdulillah. Because it's baked in a pot, the bread won't develop a golden color on top. Soft, cheesy chicken bread, irresistibly delicious when served hot. Just look at that cheesy chicken filling. Soft outside, loaded inside. Pure comfort in every bite. Homemade goodness you'll fall in love with. Another budget-friendly delight from cooking in a budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more recipes. Tag someone who would love this cheesy goodness. Stay tuned for more budget-friendly bites coming soon. Till then, Allah Hafiz.